When a P0108 code pops up, your engine starts getting bad air pressure readings, and suddenly everything feels off. Stick around, because I'll show you the real reason this happens and the quick fix most people miss. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. Today we're breaking down the P0108 engine code. If your car suddenly feels weak or runs rough, this could be why. Don't worry, I'll walk you through what it means, the symptoms to watch for and how to fix it. What is P0108? The P0108 code means your MAP sensor, manifold absolute pressure sensor, is sending a signal that reads too high. The engine computer thinks manifold pressure is abnormally high, which throws off the air-fuel calculations across the board. Symptoms of a P0108 code. Hesitation on acceleration. The engine can't get an accurate pressure reading, so it struggles to respond smoothly. Rough idle. The bad signal throws off the fuel mixture, so the engine can't hold a steady idle. Stalling at stops. Without the right air-fuel balance, the engine can lose enough stability to stall. Power loss during acceleration. Inaccurate pressure data means the engine can't deliver the power you're asking for. Poor fuel economy. The wrong reading makes the engine compensate with extra fuel, wasting gas. Common causes P0108 code. A dirty or failing MAP sensor. A cracked or disconnected vacuum hose. Loose wiring or a damaged connector. A clogged air filter disrupting airflow. Low battery voltage affecting sensor readings. The fix P0108 code. Here's a simple DIY approach. 1. Locate the MAP sensor, usually on the intake manifold, often near the throttle body. 2. Inspect it carefully. Remove it and check for cracks, bent pins or corrosion. If it looks damaged, replace it. 3. Check the O-ring. When installing a new sensor, make sure the O-ring is clean and intact so you don't create a new vacuum leak. 4. Check the vacuum hose and wiring. While you're in there, inspect for cracks or loose connections too. 5. Clear the code. Grab your OBD2 scanner, clear the code, and take the car for a short test drive to confirm it's resolved. If this helped, drop a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who needs it, and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next one.